Okay, I'm actually recording, uploading video right now, so yeah. So now we want to do the same thing, both rolling dice. This is actually very easy. Roll, maybe it's random, or random, that will work. And what it does is it does the exact same thing. So there's no difference. But see this little line here? It doesn't do this. Instead, goes number of dice is equal to random.range. We'll just say maybe 1, 2. Oh yeah, we can notice the dice results dot length. Let me just go. And we don't need this, and then we can just take this over here. And you could probably say that we could probably have this bit as a roll dice script, and we could do another function for this, and save us. Yeah, but we'd still be having a roll random one here. Because with buttons, how buttons work is that they cannot change variables. They can only do functions. I see onClick function. Well, as a function, so you could say that you wished it could do something else, but these are all functions. And it's just going to be roll random. So we could roll random with a number between 50, this is 2, this is, and we'll just keep doing it, and you see it's just got random numbers. So that's how it works. Then we got change text, and this is going to be the big one. The one that takes, I actually did a few minutes ago. And we want a few things. We want private void change, and we want a boolean text. I don't know how long this has been going on for. This has been going on for 40 minutes. I probably should have split this up actually, but hey, it's a full 40-minute video. Oh no, I'll split it up, don't worry. It'll be split up into 2 parts. 2 20-minute parts, yeah. So this is going to be change, and it's just going to be what we had before, which is toText equals to the opposite of toText. This is a great freaking tool, right? And if input field dot text does not equal, yeah, then pass results. What this does is it just changes, it flips our variable around. So from toText and from not to text, right? Pretty simple. As this is going to be actually a public string. And you guys may have not seen this before, so I hit my microphone there. But public strings are the same as public voids. Voids don't return anything, where strings return a string. So we're going to call this our text. Alright, and we want a few things. Wow, I didn't mean to do that. Nope. There we go. We have a few things for our string text. No codes, yeah. We know this. Return final. We want a few things. We want a integer. This is going to be our dice result. I'm basically going to call this dice. So every time it's going to ask for a so what this will do is this won't actually pass our results for us. So under pass results, see, we got this. We're just going to say if toText is false, then do this. Else, if toText is true, do this. So it's just going to kind of go through these. So final. So what we're going to do is we're just kind of going to do the same thing what we have here. We're just going to change a few of the variables. See where this goes plus dash results. This is where we go. Hey, this is instead plus text, and the number we're going to give it is going to be I. Yeah, there we go. That's it. That's the only difference. Is I. And you could argue that, you know, if this, then we could do this, and we could do this a bit differently. And actually, I will do that. That's probably a bit better. And then what we'll do is we'll have a if toText is false, do this. We will actually embrace this in braces. Is true to text, or text is plus or equal to text with I. So this that's how I old did it, but now it's a bit better. And this should fix it. Yeah. So we're just kind of adding our string variable. So this is just a nice little thing that I just thought of, and it's really nice because it will fix it totally. It had full stops and everything. So this is just the full stop section, and this is whether or not it adds it. So it's pretty simple, right? It seems pretty simple. This is still really simple. Switch. So what this switch does, as I'll explain in a second, is we'll just switch out dice. This is actually not just this. You could use this for a lot of things. How would you zoom in a bit? Just for you guys. What we're going to do is we're going to say case 0, case 1, case 2, case 3, case 4, case 5, and case 6. What's the price? Or 6. And we're just going to do this. Actually, we just want one. What we're going to do is we're going to say for each one of these, final is now equal to 1. Break. Now, this may seem really weird. Now break. Actually, we could probably just do that. There we go, that, and find that. So what this will do is you can enter anything you want here. These are what each number will be. So hey, if you want to roll dice, and if maybe you could do heads or whatever. Right? I mean, like a coin, and you can say anything. So maybe 1 could be Illuminati, 2 could be cow, 3 could be pig, 4 could be monitor. Right? It doesn't really matter what it is. It just could be anything. That's the point. And then we're just going to turn it. So what this will actually do is it will actually work really nicely. And we're just going to not do that. Go here. We're going to change text, and when we click this, we're going to waiting for text change. And now 150, we can do a bit better than that. We can do, let's go a little insane. Let's maybe do 4,000. I don't know how well this will hold it. Like really laggy? No, not really. I know my computer's going like this. 4,000. Roll dice. Stop at we're a bit before then. I don't know where 2 is, but we are, so we're probably, I mean, we can always just kind of muck around with this. 2,000. 2,000 works. 3,000. 3,000's off the screen. Okay. So maybe like 2,500. Why do I keep stopping this? I don't know. 2,500. Still off the screen. 2,400. Maybe 2,300. There we go, like 2,300. That's fine. Maybe 50. Like 40. 2,340. 2,340. There we go. And yep, refresh, good. And now it's 2,340. So if we roll random, this. Now if we can change text, why doesn't it not work? Oh, because we may actually need to have a number in here. So we have like 10. Yeah, there we go. See? 6, 5, 2, 6. Yeah, you got the first one right. Then the next one's apparently 1. The next one's 2, 3. I don't think I did them all. 5 is 5. Okay, it's gonna output final. It may not like it because we probably, actually, the reason why is probably because we need a string here. And it's planning to be final. Is equal to nothing. And then we don't want final up here. And then this will probably fix it. I would say. So if we say 1, we'll get 1. And apparently 2's got nothing. Apparently 2 is equal to nothing. If we say 3, 1, 2. Apparently, I think I realize what's wrong now. 1, 2. No, it's getting 1, 6. This is the thing, is it's getting 1, 3, 6. I press change text, and it doesn't work. If toText is true, it's going to go through each one. Alright, and if toText is true, it's going to plus or equal text. It's working before, as you saw. It could just be this. Text. I'm gonna try this. We do want the full loop. And then we want if toText to be up here. Else if. Okay, now this should work if we say 10. Base it. See how it like mucks up? Is just getting that number and it should be passing it through here. Oh, I think I realized what I did wrong. It's not text I, is it? It's yeah. I'm so stupid. It shouldn't be text I. Why did I say text I again? It should be dice results of I. Text. I'm stupid. Well, we can actually do it like what we had before. Let's do this. And then we can say, hey, text, and this is going to be dice results of I. Because what I was going to do is be stupid. So what I was doing is it was getting 0, and it was going, hey, we want 0. And it was going 0 doesn't exist, so we won't add anything. Then it was going 1, okay, well 1 is equal to 1, and that's why 1 was working, and it was going through it stupidly, and that's why they weren't matching up. So sorry about that. I can't see what time we're up to. Okay, so this should definitely work without doubt. So if we say 1, 1, 3 works. So now if we say 2, 3, 4, 0, or 4, 9, it will round it up for us. And obviously with change to text, it's going to be probably too big. So we probably want to, if we change text, I mean, I think 2000 is probably big enough. I would say 2000. Oh no, 2000 is still not big enough. maybe like 1,000 because how it works. So 1,000's, yeah, 1,000's about it. So 1,000's how much if you get one text. So as you see here, that's the exact same. It's going to be exact same for every single one. 4 done, 4 4 5 4 4 at the bottom, 5 4 4 at the bottom. There we go. So that will work, and we can roll random. It will randomize it. Obviously, some will go off screen because of how it works. But if we randomize it, we may want to change this number up here. Because if we don't, this is what will happen. It won't allow us to change the text. So what we actually want to do is we actually want to change our random to do this. See? Maybe you may understand now. Then we can just go, number of dice is equal to this. But instead of saying number of dice is equal to this, we go input field dot text is equal to plus this. And then roll dice. That's quick optimization checks. I clicked it twice. So random 340. 1 1 1. Can obviously always change these. These will always work. And all of these things can be removed once you're done. So I'm just going to quickly remove them. Debug. Actually, I like the full stop one. That one I like. The done I don't like. Too big I don't like. But the full stop one I kind of like actually. It's a nice little thing. I think the full stop one's probably one of my favorite. It just kind of is nice. And if you want to, how about I add this just for you? On I plus 1. So random on I plus 1. Maybe we need brackets. There we go, we do need brackets. Because what I was probably doing is doing good old buzz mass and going, hey, add full stop on I 1. So 230 became 2301. Probably. I'd say. Well, thanks guys for watching. That's how it works. I will probably put a GitHub in the description if anyone ever wants it. So this is it. Simple text. It's pretty darn compact. It will work perfectly for you. And yes, that's it. Remember, if you are going to export this as a file, this is kind of a nice instruction. When you build settings, make sure that you change this to maybe Mac or wherever you want to. It doesn't really matter. But make sure that you don't change the inputs unless you're adding, unless you're actually changing to something else. So I mean, file 1, I'm sure you could change and stuff like that. But the problem is submits and cancels. You want to make sure that, I mean, the same, I guess you could say, because this requires a few of them. This requires horizontal, vertical, submit, cancel. So if you have those in there, it's fine, right? You'll be fine. You can obviously always, so we can actually do that. It should be able to input horizontal. Yes, we need it. Vertical, fire. We don't. So, I mean, we could move that, but I guess we could always also change things like it's audio apparently. Oh, that's good. Your audio here. I didn't see that. And we can obviously change the quality if you want to move some of these. You don't need them, but I will show what happens if I build it. I will build it on my Windows and build one. We'll build it here as our L. I'll actually just give you this entire folder and call it maybe just YouTube finished. I can't spell. I'll change it, it's fine. input, whatever you want. How about we change it to 1920 by 1080, the biggest monitor I can be. We'll change to windowed, turn to fantastic, doesn't even matter. There we go. We'll stuff up a little bit because it's like a full screen. So here we go. We can random roll, we can change the text, we can do whatever we want. And you got all these features and everything looks nice. If you do want to make it look a bit nicer, it's fine, it doesn't really matter to me. You can just go pixel perfect mode, which will look a bit nicer. As you see, that was kind of a bit, now that isn't as fuzzy. Just make sure everything's on the right pixels. I don't really care too much about that, and it's just kind of a simple thing, but yeah, that's fine. So thanks guys for watching. I'll see you next time. So this was slightly longer. Well, obviously this is split in half, so it's fine.